In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook like button in Webflow. We will go through the process from start to finish so you can place a working social button on your site and make it look like it belongs with the rest of your design. This is a simple way to encourage visitors to connect with your Facebook page directly from your website. To begin, open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want the like button to appear. It's a good idea to think about placement before adding the element. In most cases, a visible but natural location works best. Like near the bottom of a blog post, inside a sidebar, or in a section where visitors are already engaging with your content. Next, go to the left toolbar and click the plus sign, which is the Add button. If you prefer working with shortcuts, you can also press the A key on your keyboard to open the same panel more quickly. This panel gives you access to all the elements and components you can add to your page. Once the Add panel is open, scroll down until you reach the Advanced or Components section. In that area, look for the Facebook element. This is the built-in component you'll use to insert the Facebook like button into your layout. When you find it, click and drag the Facebook like button onto the canvas. Drop it into a spot that is easy for visitors to notice without interrupting the flow of the page. For example, placing it at the end of an article can work well, because visitors who enjoyed the content may be more likely to engage. After that, select the Facebook like button on the page and move over to the Element Settings panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you will connect the button to your Facebook page. Enter the full URL of the Facebook page you want to link. Once that's in place, Facebook will automatically pull in and display the current number of likes associated with that page. Now take a moment to customize the appearance. In the same Settings panel, adjust the layout, button size, and locale settings so the button matches your site's style and audience. Choosing the right language and visual format can make the button feel more seamless and polished. When everything looks right, publish your Webflow site. This will make the interactive Facebook like button live and visible to your visitors. And that's it. Thanks for watching.